gotta know that nothing lasts forever.
Alright, so today is the day I'm going to pull the motor. I'm just going to do a lot of it time lapse just for the reason, you know, it's just going to be quick, get it done. Not really much to explain. Got somebody back here using the chainsaw. But yeah, so I'm just going to get on it and put you guys in that way.
I was fine when you held my hand. I was fine when you pulled me down. You said the stars would answer. You said our prayers were written down. I was fine when you pulled me in. You were forced to be human. And then the world came after, and I had never questioned it. And they said it was wrong.
The engine is out. Now I just have it sitting on the ground and some pieces of wood. But yeah, I mean, oh man, it just looks so cool looking at that turbo like that. Just, I don't know, I think it looks pretty cool. But yeah, so here in about 45 minutes or so, my buddy's gonna come by. He's on his way to St. George up north. And I'm just going to carpool with him. He's going to go do some things, and I'll just pick up an engine stand. Alright, so I was able to get the engine on the engine stand. It's kind of sketchy, but it works. Just put some spacers on some bolts, and it's on. I went ahead and drained the oil, and I could see a little bit of shavings in it. Hardly any, honestly. The next step is basically just flipping over the engine and taking off the oil pan. But I don't know if I really want to do that right now, just for the reason that it's actually pretty windy outside, and I don't want any dust getting in it.